Well, good morning. It's the day before dove season, and we're out here scouting the spot. And I don't see any doves yet, but
Nothing's flying
the
yet.
field looks good.
Nothing's flying yet, so I'm not worried right now.
So we're gonna hang out.
If stuff was flying, then I would be pretty worried, but
We're gonna hang out here and chill for a second. I got another spot up the road, cut corns at. Alright, we'll be back with you hopefully when they start flying and we can get a pattern on them.
There's one.
Alright, we just saw 10 doves flying in.
Like in a matter of seconds. There was one that came this way, and then there was like 8 of them. There's one on the line right
Yeah.
now.
They look like they're coming to our spot.
This is a good sign, but it's also super early in the morning, so like, you guys see where they're at? Nope,
That was a good start right there. They flew right into that dirt spot. So far they're not flying great,
There's one on that line.
but we're looking at the sign right here and there's all kind of food on the ground. Lots of food here. But we're not seeing any doves. We're scouting this field and there's some humongous gobbler tracks and huge buck tracks. A lot of deer sign on that public dove field, but not a lot of doves that I've seen. Definitely noting all the deer tracks I saw though. Alright, me and Chase have been driving around a lot, and we finally just found this field that just got freshly cut with corn. Doves are flying everywhere over here. We gotta get here early. Alright, it's legal shooting light, but it's super cloudy right now. I think it's gonna take a minute before they start flying. Joey's over here and Chase is behind me. Alright, we're gonna get settled in.
Dude, that one just almost hit me.
A dove in my face. That's absolutely hilarious. I just heard a couple of them come out of these ponds. Chase said they flew almost on top of him. Here we go. Did Chase shoot that one behind me?
Joey, geek, right by you.
You got him, Joey?
No. I called it.
Who shot behind me?
Me. Chase.
Why? God.
Right over your head, geek. In the tree. Want me to shoot it? Come on. Shoot it. It's going down. No, it's not. Dude, what? We hit him.
He was a little far for us.
What the heck, guys?
I'm wondering how me and Chase just missed one out of a tree. Yeah, you did.
I shot at one of them, but then after the other ones, I didn't.
He skanked me.
But then y'all just missed that one that was in the tree.
I didn't even shoot it that way.
Whoever it was like sitting there. Let's get the jitters out. Let's go.
Chase, you haven't hit one either. Who are you talking to?
Y'all shot more than me. I've only shot one time.
Okay, and you haven't proved that you can hit one yet, so shut up. One over your head.
Damn, that was quick.
I don't know how Chase missed that.
That thing was like a lightning bolt.
Circling back.
Circling, Joey. Circling. Joey.
That's too high.
That was worth it.
Y'all suck.
You suck too.
I've only shot 3 times.
Where's your dove at? You had like 5 in your face.
You just had 3 that came right over you.
They weren't in my face.
What is more in your face?
None of those was like.
Dang it! Here they come. Dude, that would be the most embarrassing thing. We were like hyping ourselves up like we were gonna shoot like 30 and now we can't even shoot a dove.
Joey, over your head. Okay, right over your head.
Joey, over your head. There's a bunch of them behind you. There's tons of them. Get ready.
Over your head, Geek.
Chase.
In the tree.
Geek.
Another one, Geek. Come on. I got a mark on yours.
Dude, they're flying! Holy crap! Here comes some!
Get down. Just stay still. Chase, you got him.
Dude, he fell in that stuff!
Oh no, that's bad. Chase.
Geek in the tree! Above us!
No way.
He's coming back! Joey! Here they come! Here they come! Here they come! Get him!
Joey, get in this over here with me.
I'm out of shells. Holy crap!
Tons of them behind you.
Oh my god.
Get in this, over here.
Joey, holy crap!
Not even like next to where you killed that one. Dude, we suck. We should have at least 30 by now.
Geek on the board.
Geek is on the board.
I have a dove. 14 more to go.
And then it just flared.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh yeah, y'all get him! Y'all get him! Y'all get him! Here it comes, straight ahead.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Just stay down. They might turn.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They're gonna shoot him.
Turn him, find it. Yeah.
There's one behind us too. Dude, I like your spot.
I'll come get in it.
He's landing behind.
Should we all sit right here?
It's fine.
Over your head, Geek. Geek.
God dang it.
You weren't ready.
Dude, I didn't even have my gun. There's one coming.
Oh yeah.
He's high though.
Don't matter.
Let's all shoot at him.
They didn't even see me. They just barely flew by me.
They're here. They're hearing us. Every time I say there they are, they start darting.
Let's just not say anything. Just
Well, we don't have to now. All you got to do is like behind you.
Oh, they just flew right over our head. They literally just flew right over our head.
Joey didn't see us.
Come on, Joey. They just flew right over our head.
I looked down for 2 seconds.
Well, that's your fault. Oh, here comes two behind us.
Just stay still.
God, Dave.
Shot, Chase.
Where'd he go?
Oh, coming back. Oh.
Yeah, Chase got it.
Nope.
Then my gun didn't go off.
Mine clicked on the first one. I pumped it and then shot him.
Shoot him. Where'd he go?
Dude, how did he not die? Oh, watch him. See him?
I can't.
He's going down.
He went down. Where'd he go down?
Here comes one, right in front of us. Here he comes. Right over your head.
Oh,
Here, right there.
I can't. Did you see the Owen?
Yeah.
In the pine tree.
Dude, how did we not kill that one?
Joe.
How many did you
Going over
get?
here?
How many did you get?
What?
How many did you get?
I killed 3, but I only got 1.
You got one?
Yeah.
Well, get
I
up.
pulled an Eric. I kind of ripped his head off. I'm not staying here.
Hurry, watch out, get down.
That's nothing compared to over there.
Dude, we have...
I'm on that road. There's like groups of 10.
Oh,
Nice.
Well, keep shooting at him.
That guy's in the center of the field just pushing them all.
That's perfect. Behind us.
Dude, let that one was right there. Oh, here comes one behind us. Don't move.
I'm gonna get on the corner.
Well, no, someone needs to watch behind us.
That's what I'm saying. That none of them are really close enough coming over.
Stupid stick.
I'm gonna take like one out of this damn tree.
Oh shoot, he's coming right to us. Don't move. Don't move. And he just landed right there. Why would he land right there when the guy just shot at him?
Just to update, we got 5 so far. It's been a decent day. We missed a lot of them for sure, but just had 2 fly in the tree right behind me. I didn't even see them. Dang. Alright, we ended up shooting 8 doves today, and here's a good recipe that you can use for your doves. I marinated them in a little strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce, and then I've got some wrapped in jalapenos with cream cheese over here. I've got just the regular jalapenos, and then I got some just wrapped up in bacon. Here we've got bacon and dove with the barbecue sauce. Alright, we're gonna get the green egg to about 350, 400 degrees, and then we're gonna put it on over here. I like to take the smaller ones first, put these on the outside. And there we go. Let's let the egg eat for probably anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. We'll flip the burgers at about 10 minutes, and we'll be back with you. Alright. Pulling them off. Looking good. Alright, we're going to pull the rest of these off, and next week we'll be into bow season for deer, and we'll see you on the next hunt.